Welcome! In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step process of assembling a lithium battery pack with safety, precision, and care. Step 1. Vertical installation. Begin by placing the battery pack in a vertical position. This orientation helps with stable alignment during the installation process. Step 2. Epoxy board in foam layer. Lay down the epoxy insulation board beneath the battery. Then gently set the battery in place. Add foam padding around it to protect from shocks and heat. Step 3. Check battery polarity. Before proceeding, always double-check the positive and negative terminals. Correct polarity is crucial for safe functioning. Step 4. Pressure strip installation. Once the battery is secured with foam, install the pressure strip to hold the cells tightly in place, preventing any unwanted movement. Step 5. Fixing the NTC line. Attach the NTC temperature sensor line. This wire is essential for monitoring the battery's temperature and preventing overheating. Step 6. Nickel sheet, signal line, and nut. Now, place the nickel strip over the terminals for current distribution. Fix the signal wire connections carefully. Once aligned, place and tighten the nut to secure everything. Step 7. Glue the nut. Apply a small amount of industrial glue to the nut. This ensures it stays firmly in place even under vibration. Step 8. Glue the NTC line. Use glue to secure the NTC line to avoid wire shifting, which could affect temperature readings or damage the wire. Step 9. Final assembly, cover and screws. Carefully place the outer cover over the pack. Align the edges, then tighten all screws securely to finish your battery pack assembly. And that's it.